Hey and welcome to my video on how to do lead generation on a WordPress website, namely collecting visitors' email address. And it's actually simpler than you think, and in a moment I'm going to show you how to add a simple form onto your website. So this here is our example website, and there are two key things that you need to think about. The first one is that in the first 3 to 5 seconds that a visitor comes to your website, you need to be extremely clear with what you do, what your website is about, and you need to give them a call to action or a option to sign up if they like what they see. Now there are some places to place your call to action. As you can see, in the hero section is your first part where you want to either place a opt-in form or a button. You also need to make this very visible in the header section as well, as the header section in other cases will follow along the website if you make it sticky. So you will always have a button that reminds them that they can take action if they want to work with you. Now, to take it even one step further, instead of just having a button, you can add a opt-in form, so that removes the not entry to barrier, but the actions a visitor need to take in order for you to collect their information. So if we just edit this page with Elementor, and I will show you, it's so easy. All you have to do is remove this button, and we will add a new element, which is a HTML. And here we can paste a code that we get from our email service provider or email autoresponder. A tool that I recommend, for example, is Aweber. I think it's the best. This is a dummy account, and you get a code. And in my free 10-part course, I show you how to customize the account, how to get the list settings, and how to customize forms, horizontal, vertical, everything. You get the code, you paste it in, and here you have an action that a visitor can take immediately when they come to your website. And there are some other things that you can do. For example, when a visitor comes to your site, they most likely would just scroll up and down, maybe not even look at the middle. They just want to see that there are stuff in the middle. So you also want to consider placing a call to action opt-in down below on your website. So the key part of this video is not the technical details of where you get this opt-in form or the HTML. I have this in my free course. The important part I want to communicate is where you put certain key elements on your website so that a visitor who likes your site, who likes what you're about, can take action. And it's mainly the first in the header, in your hero section, and the last part down below on your website. Now, if you have any questions regarding placing a opt-in form on your website, for example, or anything that's related to a WordPress website, make sure to leave a comment below and I will try to help you out as soon as I can. Thank you for watching.